Students, in previous class we have completed 8th chapter, that is human health and diseases. Neat. Today we will be studying about 9th chapter, that is strategies for enhancement in food production. First question based on animal husbandry, that is which of the following technique or processes are used to enhance food production? A. Embryo transfer technology, correct, you all know that in case of animals. Then B. Tissue culture technology in animals also. And here the questions are on animal husbandry. Fine. So in tissue culture techniques also used to create transgenic animals, hybrid animals. And apart from this topic, additional tissue culture is also used to create transgenic plants to increase the productivity. But basically now the questions are here on animal husbandry, just a clue given. So C, animal husbandry and plant breeding. So again all together. So thereby option D, all of these is the correct answer here. Next question, find out the incorrect statement here. You have to find out the incorrect statement. Second question, find out the incorrect statement. A. Animal husbandry is the agriculture practice of breeding and raising livestock is a correct statement. More than 70% of the world's livestock population is found in India and China. Of course, very true. Dairying is the management of animals for milk, correct, and its products for human consumption. All these three statements are so far correct. So, but we have to find out the incorrect statement, wrong statement we have to find out. Concentrate. Hisardale is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaner rams and merino ewes. It's a wrong statement. Fine. So this is the incorrect statement. Fine. It is the correct answer. Bikaner rams and merino ewes are crossbred to produce animal with a lot of wool yield and as well as meat yield. Animal husbandry deals with the care and breeding of livestock like A. Buffalo and cows, correct. Pigs and horses, correct. Sheep, camel and goat, also correct. So thereby the answer is D, all of these. Next question, fisheries include rearing, catching and selling of which of the following organisms? Fisheries doesn't include only fishes, don't get confused. A. Fish. B. Mollusks, that is shellfishes. C. Crustaceans, that includes prawn and crab. Fisheries is a broad science, fine. Pisciculture or fine fisheries, what we call in general, fine, is a broad science or a practice that includes all the aquatic animals. So thereby answer is again D, all of the above. Next, in dairy farm management, we deal with processes and systems that are responsible for A. Increase in yield of the milk, of course correct. This is what the main aim of the dairy management. B option, improvement in quality of milk, that's also correct. Thereby thus the option C, both A and B are correct answers. Next, good breeds should have, he is asking what qualities they should have. The hybrids or the transgenic breeds should have what qualities he is asking. Good breeds should have A. High yielding potential under climatic conditions of the area. In that particular area, in that particular climatic conditions, they should yield more. Of course, it's a correct aim. Next, resistance to diseases, this is also correct aim of the breeds, good breeds. Next one, improved quality of the yield. All above options are correct. Thereby option D, all of these is the correct option here. Next question, for realizing good yielding potential, which of the following are required? He is asking the requirement for good yielding animals. A. Animals should be housed well and provided with adequate water, of course correct. Without adequate water, enough amount of water, you cannot manage animals. Maintain disease free animals, of course. How to be maintained? By giving vaccination to them and taking proper medical care. This is a statement also correct. Next one, feeding should be in scientific manner along with good quality and good quantity of fodder. You all know fodder means the animal edibles of the animal. Fine. Feed of the animal is fodder. Food of the animal is fodder. What is known as fodder? It should be in scientific manner, means in which climate, which weather, and during which period, during which of their age, during their carrying processes and the milking processes. So what food should be given in the scientific method, all these practices should be practiced. Thereby again the answer is D, fine, all of the above. Moving on to next questions. Fine. The next question, the word poultry is used to refer the meat of which animals is asking? Chicken and ducks, of course, correct. Poultry is also a very big, broad spectrum science, wherein we maintain the birds that are used for both meat and as well as for the eggs. So chicken and ducks are correct. Next, B option, turkey, also correct. An animal, you know that. And third one is a geese, duck-like animal, geese. So all these are correct. Thereby again the answer is D, all of these. Next one, how can we prevent the spreading of the flu fever from bird flu? Also you might have heard. How can we prevent the spreading of flu in case when some chicken are infected in poultry farm? What are the measures to take to avoid spread of flu? He's asking. A, select these chickens, clear. B, these chickens means the chickens which are healthy. Kill selected chicken and burn them. What do you mean by that? The infected chicken should be killed and burned or totally buried, deeply buried or totally burned. I have told you this point. Next, kill selected chickens and bury them deep inside the earth. So all of these is again correct answer here, because all options are adapted. Next, here the diagram is given. Fine. A, cow is shown. B, the cock is shown here of hen. Then C, either it's a donkey or mule is shown here. Fine. We'll see what exactly it is. A, improved breed of cattle, Jersey. That's correct. Fine. Then B is shown as improved breed of chicken, that is a Leghorn. This breed is known as Leghorn, commonly we call as Asil, you might have seen. So Leghorn, cross breed of that, hybrid breed. C is a sterile animal, mule, which is a cross between the male horse and female donkey. So all these animals are correctly labeled, thereby option all are correct. D is the option, all are correct. The term breed means, what do you mean by breed? Fine, either in animal breed or animal breeding or plant breeding. Breed means a group of animals related by descent and similar in most of the characters like general. So that's the correct option here. The breed means we select them, group of animals related to descent and similar in most of the characters. From their descendant, they should have almost all the characters which are needed, required, beneficial characters. Such a animal which is crossbred by using two selected breeds is known as a breed. Fine. Or what we call, just to make you understand, hybrids, you might have studied and understand. Moving on to next questions. Select the incorrect combination. A, class of domesticated fowl birds used for food and eggs, that is called poultry. Of course, correct. So fowl means here, domesticated fowl means the common name of chicken. Nowadays chicken is the common terminology to be used, but actually the Indian name is Indian fowl. That bird is known as Indian fowl. So fowl includes birds which are used for meat and eggs. So this statement is correct statement. He is asking the incorrect statement, wrong statement you have to find out, but this is the correct statement but not the right answer. Listen. Next, B, breeding between animals of the same breed is known as inbreeding. This is also correct statement. The definition he has given. Next, breeding between different breeds is known as outbreeding. This definition, this statement is also correct, but the answer we have to find out is the incorrect statement, wrong statement. Listen now. Keeping honeybees for production of honey is known as pisciculture. You all know pisciculture refers to rearing of fishes. Rearing of fishes is what is known as pisciculture. That includes other animals also, aquatic animals which are beneficial to mankind. Such a practice is known as pisciculture. Fine. Whereas the rearing of or keeping of honeybees for the production of honey, wax, etc. is what is known as, yes, what is that? Apiculture. What is it known as? Apiculture. Don't get confused. Fine. Apiarist, apiculture, we have told you. So this is the wrong statement, thereby it becomes the right answer, because incorrect statement we have to find out. I hope it's clear. Next, beekeeping is known as, again it has come here, very easy now. A, pisciculture. B, silviculture. C, apiculture. Aquaculture. Silviculture about the wood. So beekeeping, fine, rearing of bees is known as apiculture. The following are freshwater fishes, except 4 fishes are given here. You have to find out, fine, the freshwater fishes. Fine. All the following are freshwater fishes, but one is a marine water fish. You have to find out. Catla is a freshwater fish. edible. Rohu also bony fish, freshwater fish. Common carp also bony fish, fine, clear, freshwater fish. Whereas mackerel is not a freshwater fish, it is a marine water fish. What fish? Marine water fish. Thereby mackerel is the answer. Next, the following are marine water fishes except the opposite question here, very easy. Hilsa is a marine fish, edible. Sardine also a marine fish, edible. Pomfrets also edible fishes, marine fishes. Rohu is a freshwater animal. Just now we have seen freshwater fish in the above question. So here except Rohu, all are marine water animals. So Rohu is the answer. Which of the following points are important for successful beekeeping? What are the requirements for apiculture is asking. Successful beekeeping is asking. Clear. A, knowledge and nature of the habits of the bees, of course, very, very much important, correct. Catching and hiving of swarms. Swarms refers to, he has given the meaning here, swarms refers to group of bees, fine. Hiving refers to formation of beehive or the bee nest or what we call honeycomb. That's also very much required. C option, management of beehives during different seasons. Of course, very true, because season and climate have a lot of impact on the beehives and the bee nest. So all these knowledge and other knowledge also, the requirement of the nectar, flowers, growing of the crops, all this knowledge is required in order to maintain the beehive and to go for apiculture. Hence answer, all of these is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. Clear. Keeping beehives in crop fields during flowering period causes, remember, keeping beehives in crop fields during flowering periods, during the flowering period, if you maintain the beehives, what it happens? Increase pollination efficiency, of course, because you all very well know honeybees are very good pollinators. One of the beneficial aspect of honeybees. B, increasing yield of the crop, thereby when pollination is done, the flowers become fruits. Of course, this is also correct. Increasing the yield of the honey, of course, when flowers are more, nectar is more. When they collect more nectar, they produce more honey. Thereby answer, all of these are correct. Next question. Example of interspecific hybridization, very easy. Interspecific hybridization, Hisardale, A Hisardale, B Mule, C Jersey, Leghorn. You all know interspecific hybridization. We have given you the example, classical example in your syllabus also is Mule, which is a product of female horse and male donkey is Mule, vice versa is what is Hinni. Fine, we have told many points about that. Next, in MOAT, that is multiple ovulation and embryo transfer, dash cell stage, the fertilized egg are recovered non-surgically. What is the method here? Non-surgically and transferred into surrogate mother. The cell stage, we have told 16 cell stage, that lies in between 8 and 32 cell stage. Thereby option A is the correct answer. Whereas he says 2 and 4 cell stage, 6 and 8, 4 and 6. All these are very early cell stages, zygotic stage. So we cannot transfer. It has to be around at least 16 cell stage. Next question. Hisardale is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing what animals? It has come earlier also. Now Hisardale, it is obtained in Punjab by crossing Bikaner ewes and merino rams. Bikaner ewes refers to goats and the merino rams refers to sheep. So such a animal is what is known as Hisardale. So option A is correct, whereas option B says Dolly and merino ram is wrong. Ajmeri ewe and merino ram wrong. Jersey and Bikaner absolutely wrong. Next question. Mule is produced by cross breeding of what he is asking. Fine. Just now I told you the above question, male donkey and female horse. So thereby it is B option is correct answer. What says is male donkey and female horse. Next questions are on plant breeding. So the questions are like green revolution was developed to large extent in plant breeding techniques for the development of high yield and disease resistant varieties in what he is asking. A, wheat, B, maize, C, rice. All are correct. All these have increased, doubled and tripled the production of these. So all these products have been increased. That is known as all of these the correct answer. Next. Which of the following is the most important character or trait that the breeders have tried to incorporate the plants first? Fine. Listen once again. Which of the following is the most important character that the breeders have tried to incorporate in plants? First, resistance to pathogens, of course correct, disease resistant plants, pathogens like viruses, fungi and bacteria, correct statement, one of the fine. Then increased tolerance to insect pests, this also has been done. Increased tolerance to environmental stress, this is also has been done. Clear? But in the question here says first character, first trait, first character is nothing but to increase the crop yield, don't get confused. All these characters are correct, these traits have been done in transgenic plants, but in the question first character, first trait is to increase the yield of the crop. Next, the entire collection of plants or seeds having all the diverse alleles, diverse means having a very different characteristics, alleles, pair of genes, for all genes in a given crop is completely known as, fine, A, gene bank, no. B, tissue culture, no way. C, genetic engineering, of course no. Then it is known as germplasm collection. You might have studied in the general methodology of hybridization of plants. The first step itself is known as germ collection. That is all the varieties of that has to be collected. It is known as germplasm collection. D option. Next, which process of plant breeding technique is the most time consuming and tedious? What do you mean by tedious? Fine. Long, lengthy, time consuming. Fine. A, collection of variability. No. We can easily pluck, we can easily bring the various varieties of that particular breed. Next, cross hybridization among the selected parents. This is more time taking, very important step and time taking process, time consuming. Next is evaluation and selection. After that, you can easily evaluate whether these characters are seen or not. Selection and testing of the superior recombinant. Among all these steps, the time consuming and tedious, lengthy process is what is known as cross hybridization among the selected breeds. Next question, self-pollination for several generations create. Self-pollination, fine, very easy to answer. A, heterozygosity, no. B, homozygosity. C, hemizygosity, aneuploidy. Self-pollination, it results in similar, homozygosity, you all know basic things. Next, which is not a step in breeding a new genetic variety of crop? Not a step involved. Collection of variability, this is the very first step in breeding, plant breeding, just now I told you. Evaluation and selection of parents is also very much required. We are going for cross breeding here, fine. So self breeding is avoided, this is the wrong step here. So C is the answer. D option, selection and testing of superior recombinant, this is also done in the above questions we have learned just now. So self pollination is avoided, self hybridization is also avoided in cross breeding. So option C is the correct answer there. Okay, we'll try to continue in the next class. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care.